Ever wondered why water conservation is so crucial in gardening? Well, it's not just about saving water, it's about ensuring the health and vitality of your garden. When we conserve water, we're doing more than just being good stewards of our resources. We're creating a healthier and more vibrant garden. Plus, it's a cost-effective strategy that benefits our wallets as well as the planet. So, how can we conserve water in our gardens? The answer is rainwater harvesting. Now, let's dive into the process of rainwater harvesting. This eco-friendly technique is as simple as it is effective. First, we start by collecting rainwater. This is often done from surfaces like roofs, which act as a natural catchment area when it rains. Once collected, the water is then directed into storage units. These can range from simple rain barrels to more complex storage tanks, depending on your needs and the size of your garden. But remember, the water collected is raw and may contain debris from the catchment area. To ensure it's safe for your plants, a filtration process is needed. This can be as simple as using a fine mesh screen to remove any large particles. Once filtered, this water is ready to be used in your garden, providing a sustainable and environmentally friendly alternative to using tap water. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to conserve water and keep your garden thriving. So, ready to make your garden more sustainable and also save on your water bills? Well, it's time to embrace rainwater harvesting. Imagine giving your plants a drink from nature's own reservoir while simultaneously making a positive impact on the environment. The benefits are truly rewarding, from lush, healthy plants to reduced water usage, and you'll be contributing to a more sustainable world. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, and share with your friends who might find this useful. Happy gardening!